Help us promote the WQA convention and have fun at the same time.
It's a crazy idea where we ask that you or your coworkers take a photo or video of drinking from anything but
a cup.
Yep, it can be a flower pot, a baseball cap, an umbrella, or
just not a cup.
And then share it on social media using the hashtag WQACRAZYIDEA, and we'll reshare the post.
Oh, I got this. Anything but a cup. Bring anything but a cup to convention. We'll be handing out prizes for the most crazy, unusual ways to drink water.
We'll also hear from keynote speaker Kyle Sheely, who'll show us how crazy ideas can spark innovation and imagination in our water treatment businesses.
Go to WQA.org/convention for more information. And I'll see you in Orlando.